Oh, Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping, yeah. Oh, y'all, I had to come on here and show y'all these salmon croquette. Croquettes, croquet, I don't know, but this shit good. Let me show you what I did. Get you a salmon fillet, got some garlic, onion, jalapeños, get you 2 eggs, got some mayonnaise over here. Of course, some seasonings. I'm gonna put everything in the description, y'all. Don't worry. Then we got some breadcrumbs for the binder, y'all. Okay, then we're gonna finally chop everything, y'all, because we're gonna mix this with the patties in. You don't want no big ass chunks of onion sticking out your shit. Then you're going to get your onions and jalapenos in a hot skillet. Saute them for about 5 minutes. Then I grated a little garlic in that bad boy. Okay, get you another hot skillet. Go ahead and get you some olive oil in there because we're about to pan sear this goddamn salmon, y'all. And then we're going to chop it up. Okay, got that chopped up, took the skin out, seasoned it up a little bit more, y'all. Okay, y'all, I don't know what happened. I ain't recorded, but we're going to mix this right here with the mayonnaise and the seasonings and some Parmesan cheese, y'all. Just mix that up real good. Make sure you got the breadcrumbs in there, and it should form a good patty. Shit, if it seemed too wet, add some more breadcrumbs. If it seemed too dry, add some more mayonnaise or something. Oh, you could really add some mustard too for a little kick. I didn't even think about that. Okay, y'all, it seemed to be thick enough. It's looking like this right here. Go ahead and form your patties. Then get them right into some hot olive oil. Fry them till golden brown, baby. About 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Look at them bad boys. Look, like, share, subscribe. You know the motherfucking vibe. She in the kitchen. And she whipping.